Okay, next up before we get the house stuccoed is I need to paint this door trim here and also this window trim. This door was installed 11 years ago and I never got around to painting the door trim, so I'm going to do it today. And then one thing weird about this door is if we zoom in on one of those hinges, this door is under a patio roof. And there you can see that hinge is rusted. So after I paint the door, or this trim, I'm going to replace those hinges. I don't really understand why this would rust because it's under a patio roof and it's a dry climate here, so it's kind of weird, but whatever. And then over here on the window, paint this one. I'm going to mask on the inside of the door trim and the window trim. I like the mask generally because it gives you really good precise paint lines. The perimeter of the door trim, I don't need to mask that because it's going to be stuccoed on the wall. And then like here, well there you can see I put in some Bondo there. You can see there's a crack between the two two boards there. Put some there, did some up there, and then over here you can see there's more little gaps there, so I'm going to fill that. A lot of people use wood filler. I like using Bondo because it's quite a bit stronger. Alright, now I got the door trim and the windows masked, so I'll be ready to do some painting here. So 11 years after I got this door installed, I got the door trim painted, making progress.